How long is it going to take to straighten my teeth? If you had braces as a kid, you know that it was years. For many people, several years to straighten your teeth. You ready for how incredible Invisalign is? For, I would say, 90% of people, we can straighten your teeth in less than a year. And not only do it in less than a year, but do it in a way that's comfortable for you, a way that looks great. So consider Invisalign. It's really fantastic. And I've been doing it for well over a decade. So I look forward to meeting you and talking to you in a free consultation about Invisalign and solving your dental problems. Look forward to meeting you. Have a great day.